Welcome to the fascinating world of crypto trading. Imagine you are walking into a market with hundreds of stalls, each offering different goods, apples, phones, clothes. You might notice that the price changes constantly. One moment the price of an apple is $1, the next minute it's $2. The same happens in the crypto market, but instead of fruits or phones, you are dealing with digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It is not tied to any government or central authority, and it uses encryption to secure transactions. This makes it different from traditional money like dollars or euros. The main appeal, you can buy, sell, trade it anywhere in the world 24 into 7. But what makes it so exciting and also a bit risky is that the prices of cryptocurrencies can swing wildly. One minute a coin's price could be $5 and next minute it could jump to $50. For people who know how to navigate it, this means there are opportunities to make money, but of course there is always risk involved. Today we are diving into the basics of crypto trading, what it is, how it works, how to get started, and some tips to help you avoid the pitfalls. So let's get started. 1. What is crypto? Before we talk about trading, it's important to understand what crypto actually is. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets designed to work as a medium of exchange using cryptography for security, but that's a bit technical, so let's break it down. Imagine a video game you love where you collect coins as part of the game. These coins are worth something in the game and you can use them to buy weapons, skins, or special abilities. Now think about these coins being real world money. Money that you can spend online, send to someone across the globe, or even use to buy products from stores. This is what cryptocurrencies do. They exist only in the digital world, but they hold value just like any traditional currency. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and it's still the most popular one. But Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency. There are thousands of others, including Ethereum, Litecoin, or Ripple. Each of these has its unique purpose. For example, Ethereum is often used for building decentralized applications, and Ripple is designed to help with international money transfers. The key thing to remember is that cryptocurrency is not just about Bitcoin, it's an entire ecosystem of digital currencies that are changing the way we think about money and how we interact with the global economy. 2. How does crypto trading work? Now let's talk about how you can actually get involved in crypto trading. Trading is similar to any other market. You buy and sell assets. The goal, make a profit by buying at a lower price and selling at higher price. But there is a twist in crypto world. The prices of cryptocurrencies are much more volatile than traditional stocks or bonds. This means prices can go up or down rapidly, sometimes by large amounts within hours or even minutes. For example, imagine you are looking at a price of Bitcoin and it's sitting at $10,000 per coin. You think Bitcoin's value is going to rise, so you decide to buy one Bitcoin. A few weeks later, the price jumps to $15,000. You now have the option to sell that Bitcoin and pocket the $5,000 profit. Sounds simple, right? But the story doesn't always go this smoothly. Let's consider another example with Ethereum. A friend of mine, Sarah, decided to buy Ethereum when it was priced at $200 per coin. A few months later, the price of Ethereum skyrocketed to $1,400. Sarah thought she made a great decision, but the market then crashed and Ethereum's price dropped to $800. Sarah ended up selling her Ethereum at loss. The moral of the story: the crypto market can be unpredictable. Trading can happen on several platforms called exchanges. These are online services where you can buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular exchanges are Coinbase and Binance. When you join an exchange, you deposit money, typically traditional currencies like dollars or euros. You can then use this money to buy digital currencies. For example, think about it like this: you have got $1,000 and you go to the exchange, you see Bitcoin at $10,000 per coin. So you buy a fraction of Bitcoin, zero point 0.1 Bitcoin. A few weeks later, the price of Bitcoin increases to $15,000. Now your word, zero point 0.1 Bitcoin is worth $1,500. You can sell your Bitcoin and make a profit. But if the price drops, well, the value of your Bitcoin goes down too. 3. Risks and rewards of crypto trading. Crypto trading is exciting, but let's not forget it's risky. A few years ago, Bitcoin was worth just $1,000. A lot of people thought it was too expensive and too risky to buy. Then in 2017, Bitcoin shot up to nearly $20,000. But after that, it came crashing down to around $3,000. Imagine if you bought Bitcoin at $19,000 and then saw it drop to $3,000. That's a big loss. Here is another example. Let's say you invest $5,000 in a cryptocurrency called CryptoX. At first, it's performing well, but then news about regulation changes in a major country causes its price to plummet. You now have the tough decisions of whether to hold on and hope the price goes back up, or cut your losses and sell. This is the reality of crypto trading. The volatility can lead to huge gains but also big losses. That's why it's important to approach it with a clear strategy. Let me tell you about a friend of mine, Mark. He was very new to crypto trading and he got really excited when he saw that the price of Daycoin and a meme coin was rising quickly. Mark bought a lot of Daycoin thinking the price would keep going up, but the market shifted and the price plummeted. Mark lost most of his investment. What did Mark learn? That crypto trading is not just about getting lucky. It's about knowing when to buy, when to sell, and when to walk away. The key lessons here: crypto trading requires careful research and emotional control. Don't let fear or excitement drive your decisions. Stay informed and never trade more than you can afford to lose. 4. Tips for beginners and how to get started. So you want to get started in crypto trading. Here are some tips to help you on your journey. 1. Start small. When you first begin trading, it's easy to get excited and throw a large amount of money into the market. But it's important to start small. Treat it like learning how to ride a bike. You wouldn't rush into the toughest trails, right? Instead, start with a small amount of money and use it to understand how the market moves. 2. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, research it. Not all cryptocurrencies are the same, and some might have higher risk than others. Take the time to read about the project behind the coin. What problem is it solving? What is the potential for growth? Remember, knowledge is power. 3. Use a reputable exchange. Make sure you are trading on a trusted exchange. Look for platforms with good security measures like two-factor authentication. Popular exchanges like Coinbase and Binance offer beginner-friendly interfaces and security features. Start with one of these before diving into lesser known exchanges. 4. Have a plan. It is easy to get caught up in the rush of price spike, but successful traders know how to set a clear goals and stick to them. Decide beforehand how much you are willing to risk and set a price point where you will sell. This helps avoid the emotional roller coaster that comes with crypto trading. 5. Diversify. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. Diversify your portfolio to spread the risk. Invest in different cryptocurrencies with different use cases and potential for growth. 6. Stay calm. Lastly, don't panic during a day. The market will have its ups and downs, but the key to long term success is to stay calm. If the price drops, ask yourself if the cryptocurrency still has value or if you have just been caught up in a short term fluctuation. To sum it all up, crypto trading can be thrilling and rewarding experience, but it's not without its risks. If you start small, do your research and have a plan, you can avoid the common pitfalls that many beginners fall into. And remember, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about steady, informed decisions that can lead to success in the long run. So take your time, learn the ropes, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you for listening and good luck on your crypto journey. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and advice on navigating the exciting world of digital currencies.